Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Usertesting.com is an online platform that specializes in user experience research and testing. It connects businesses and organizations with a diverse pool of users who provide valuable insights and feedback on websites, mobile apps, prototypes, and other digital products. The platform enables companies to gather user feedback quickly and efficiently, helping them make data-driven decisions to improve their product's usability and overall user experience. With Usertesting.com, businesses can easily set up tests and select specific target demographics to ensure they receive feedback from their target audience. Users participating in the tests perform various tasks while providing real-time feedback through audio recordings, screen recordings, and written responses. This combination of qualitative and quantitative data allows companies to gain a comprehensive understanding of how users interact with their products and identify areas for improvement. Usertesting.com offers features such as video playback, highlighting key insights, and generating reports, making it convenient for businesses to analyze and share the feedback with their teams. Using Usertesting.com can provide several benefits for businesses and organizations. Here are 10 benefits of using Usertesting.com. Valuable user insights. Usertesting.com allows businesses to gather direct feedback from real users, providing valuable insights into their preferences, behaviors, and expectations. This helps companies make informed decisions about their products and optimize the user experience. Faster feedback. With Usertesting.com, businesses can quickly set up tests and receive feedback within hours. This rapid turnaround time enables organizations to iterate and make improvements to their products more efficiently. Diverse user demographics. Usertesting.com offers a diverse pool of users, allowing businesses to target specific demographics and gather feedback from their target audience. This helps ensure that the user feedback received is representative and relevant. Remote testing capabilities. Usertesting.com enables remote testing, eliminating geographical limitations. Businesses can test their products with users from different locations, making it easier to gather feedback from a broader user base. Rich media feedback. Usertesting.com captures audio and screen recordings during testing sessions, providing businesses with rich media feedback. This allows companies to observe how users interact with their products, identify pain points, and gather actionable insights. Unbiased user opinions. Usertesting.com provides unbiased user opinions as testers are not influenced by personal relationships with the company. This impartial feedback helps businesses gain objective perspectives and identify potential issues that might be overlooked internally. Cost-effective user research. Conducting traditional user research can be time-consuming and expensive. Usertesting.com offers a cost-effective alternative, allowing businesses to gather user feedback at a fraction of the cost associated with traditional research methods. Usability improvements. By leveraging Usertesting.com, businesses can identify usability issues and make improvements to their products. This leads to enhanced user experiences, increased user satisfaction, and reduced friction in the user journey. Competitive advantage. Incorporating user feedback early and consistently through Usertesting.com helps businesses stay ahead of the competition. By understanding users' needs and preferences, companies can differentiate themselves by delivering more user-centric and intuitive products. Data-driven decision-making. Usertesting.com provides businesses with quantitative and qualitative data, enabling data-driven decision-making. This helps reduce guesswork and subjectivity, allowing organizations to make informed choices based on real user feedback. Overall, Usertesting.com offers numerous benefits, ranging from improved user experiences and faster feedback cycles to cost-effective research and competitive advantage. By leveraging these benefits, businesses can enhance their products and services to meet the evolving needs and expectations of their users. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment.
Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.